Hi, welcome to the Hughes Center. I'm Tanya Shank, Senior Category Manager here at Synergy Worldwide, and we're here today with Dr. Manda.
Hi, I'm Dr. Bhargavi Manda, Manager of Science and Innovation at the Hughes Center.
All right, so let's get started. So we're here today to discuss the importance of CoQ10. So Bhargavi, we're all looking for ways to support daily health and vitality. How does CoQ10 fit into that matrix?
Okay, let me start with talking about our diet and lifestyle. So as you know, a healthy diet and lifestyle are so important for your overall well-being. So what your healthy diet is doing is it's providing these nutrients, the micronutrients, the macronutrients, and all the trace minerals that you need to support your physiological functions, but also it is helping you to build the antioxidant defense pathways in your body. Now, CoQ10 is one of the nutrients that supports these functions. So if you're not taking a balanced diet or a diet which provides you all these nutrients, CoQ10 could be one of the nutrients that you're missing.
All right, so you mentioned diet. Where do we find CoQ10 in our diet, and what happens if it's lacking from our daily diet?
So foods like meat, dairy, legumes, nuts, and vegetables are all good sources of CoQ10. And the interesting thing is your body actually produces CoQ10 too. So studies have shown that aging, for instance, or medications, or a nutrient insufficiency, an imbalance in nutrient intake can also affect your CoQ10 levels. So it becomes really important to watch your nutrient density. So you're providing all the micronutrients from your diet, and one of them is your CoQ10 as well.
Okay, so it seems, it's necessary to maintain appropriate levels of CoQ10 in our bodies.
Yes, absolutely. With all the micronutrients, CoQ10 is another important nutrient that you should be watching for.
So from a physiological perspective, how does CoQ10 actually function in the body?
So CoQ10, as you know, is a key component of the mitochondrial machinery. It is one of the complexes involved in energy production. Now, there is a chain of molecules which work together to produce energy. CoQ10 is one of them. Because of the unique ability to accept and donate electrons, it acts like a carrier between these molecules to produce energy. Now, this electron transport chain, along with ATP production, won Peter Mitchell a Nobel Prize in 1978. That's a fun fact for you to know about CoQ10. It's such an important molecule by itself that it is involved in ATP production. Now, ATP, again, is the energy currency of the cell. Besides energy production, CoQ10 is a well-known antioxidant in your body. So it has the ability to scavenge free radicals and protect other biomolecules like DNA, protein, and lipids from oxidation. So CoQ10, as it is, has many functions in the body, and antioxidant activity is one of the major important aspects of it.
Okay, interesting. So it's important then that we maintain ideal CoQ10 levels in the body.
Yes, absolutely. CoQ10 serves multiple functions. Now, because of its antioxidant properties, there are many other things many other purposes it serves in the body. Another good example that I can provide you with CoQ10 is that it also helps regenerate other antioxidants in the body. Now, because of its ability to accept and donate electrons, it can regenerate other antioxidants like vitamin C and vitamin E in the body.
Okay, interesting. Okay, now, so it's one thing to understand the importance of CoQ10 in the body, but then it's another to be selecting the right supplement. Right. So what separates Synergy CoQ10 from our competition?
Yeah, that's a great question. So one thing to remember is that CoQ10 is a fat-soluble vitamin-like compound. So it is not water-soluble. So it is very important that the matrix that it comes in is absolutely critical for its absorption. Now, there is no point you have CoQ10 even at high doses, but you're not absorbing it right. So because it's a fat-soluble compound, providing it in an oil-based matrix helps the absorption better. So Synergy's CoQ10 comes in an oil-based matrix. It is non-GMO, gluten-free, but most importantly, it comes in an oil-based matrix.
Okay, so based on that oil-based matrix, can you explain the importance of why is that necessary?
Yeah, as I just mentioned, it's a fat soluble compound. So compounds like CoQ10 tend to be absorbed better in a fat matrix, in an oil-based matrix. So it is recommended that when you take CoQ10, you take it with a meal that has some fat and oil component in it.
So what else can you share with us about the importance of CoQ10?
Yeah, there's one more thing I'd like to mention about CoQ10. So there's a misconception that one form of CoQ10 is better than the other, the ubiquinone versus the quinol. But recent data, a lot of studies in the recent past years show that it doesn't matter what type of CoQ10 you're taking. It is because of its ability to convert into the other form. It does not matter what type of CoQ10 you're taking. But the most important thing is the matrix that you're providing the CoQ10 in. So Synergy's CoQ10 comes in the right matrix, and it provides you the substantiating amount of CoQ10 that is based on clinical evidence.
Dr. Munda, thank you for the broad perspective and for this introduction and overview of CoQ10.
Thank you. Thank you for having me here. And it's a pleasure to talk to you about CoQ10. And please do reach out to us if you have any questions about CoQ10. Here at the Hughes Center, we are always welcoming questions, and we are there to help you understand more about CoQ10. Thank you.